Welcome to the Home Cool Gadgets channel, where you can find the latest gadgets that came in the market. Whether you're a remote warrior, a creative mind, or someone who values a comfortable and efficient workspace, the laptop stand for desk is about to become your desk's dynamic companion. In this episode, we'll be lifting the lid on the features, exploring sleek designs, and unveiling the game-changing ergonomics that make these stands a must-have for every laptop user. To save your time and money, we've completed our research and review 5 different models of laptop stand for desk on the market. You can see the link to the products in the description of the video below. Number 1. Introducing the OMOTON laptop stand, a versatile and ergonomic solution designed to enhance your laptop usage experience. This stand seamlessly combines functionality, portability, and compatibility to elevate your workspace. Equipped with a 360 degrees rotatable axis connecting to the base, this laptop stand allows you to effortlessly swivel your laptop to any angle. By elevating your laptop to eye level, it helps correct your posture, reducing neck and back stiffness for a more comfortable work experience. Versatility is key with this laptop stand, as it accommodates laptops ranging from 11 to 16 inches. Constructed with premium aluminum alloy, this laptop stand boasts an exquisite design with a smooth edge. The top is equipped with soft rubber pads to protect your laptop from sliding and scratches, ensuring both elegance and device safety. Addressing the importance of heat management, the OMOTON laptop stand features a heat vent design that improves airflow around and under the laptop. The 100% aluminum alloy body aids in efficient heat dissipation, preventing your laptop from overheating during extended usage. Number 2. Introducing the Nulaxy laptop stand for desk, an affordable and versatile solution crafted with innovation and quality to enhance your workspace, providing both comfort and creativity. Tailored to accommodate laptops of all sizes, this stand is designed to meet the needs of professionals seeking a unique and ergonomic office setup. Experience the flexibility of adjusting your laptop screen height from 1.2 inches to an impressive 20 inches. Whether sitting or standing, this feature ensures a comfortable viewing position, bringing your laptop screen to eye level. With adjustable height and tilt, you can easily customize the laptop angle for optimal visual comfort. The unique retractable pull handle allows swift transitions between sitting and standing postures, enhancing the versatility of your workspace setup. Built with a focus on durability, the Nulaxy laptop stand boasts an extremely solid build, weighing 1.25 kilograms, 2.76 pounds, and supporting up to 22 pounds, 10 kilograms, weight on top. Stability is reinforced with rubber pads and 2 pivot joints, while the aluminum panel with ventilation holes enhances heat dissipation, ensuring a reliable and efficient performance. Number 3. Introducing the JOYEKY laptop stand for desk, a blend of creativity, quality, and affordability to transform your workspace into a unique and comfortable environment. The JOYEKY laptop stand caters to laptops ranging from 10 to 17 inches, ensuring compatibility with most popular models. Experience the flexibility of adjusting your laptop screen height from 1.2 inches to an impressive 20 inches. Whether sitting or standing, this feature ensures a comfortable viewing position, bringing your laptop screen to eye level. Tailor your laptop angle for maximum visual comfort with adjustable height and tilt features. The unique design with a retractable pull handle enables swift transitions between sitting and standing postures, contributing to a dynamic and comfortable desk setup. Built with durability and focus, the JOYEKY laptop stand boasts an extremely solid build, weighing 1.25 kilograms, 2.76 pounds, and supporting up to 22 pounds, 10 kilograms, weight on top. Stability is reinforced with rubber pads and 2 pivot joints, while the aluminum panel with ventilation holes enhances heat dissipation, ensuring reliable performance. Introducing the LOXP laptop stand for desk, a cutting-edge solution that seamlessly blends stability, functionality, and style. Crafted with precision and innovation, this swivel laptop stand elevates your workstation to new heights, offering a range of features that cater to both performance and aesthetics. Designed with military-grade aluminum alloy multi-layer reinforcement, the LOXP laptop stand ensures an unparalleled level of stability. Equipped with aluminum alloy ball bearings, the LOXP laptop stand provides a smoother 360-degree rotation. With 6 times the rotating life, this feature not only enhances functionality but also facilitates seamless screen sharing, adding a layer of convenience to your work or collaborative sessions. Combining elegance with durability, the LOXP 360 rotatable laptop stand features a fashion-forward design. The base, with an increased diameter of 11.02%, exudes style with CNC fine carved detailing.
Number 5.
Introducing the RIWUCT Foldable Laptop Stand, a versatile and practical solution designed to elevate your laptop experience. Packed with features to enhance convenience, stability, and overall usability, this adjustable stand is a must-have for users seeking flexibility and reliability in their workspace. The RIWUCT laptop stand is engineered for adaptability, allowing you to raise your laptop up to 7.48 inches. With adjustable incline angles, you can easily find the perfect height for your laptop, catering to different needs and preferences. Crafted from high-quality aluminum alloy material, this laptop stand boasts enhanced stability and durability. With the ability to support up to 8.8 pounds, 4 kilograms, without any shaking, it ensures a secure platform for your laptop. Non-slip straps on the panel and its 2 hooks, along with 4 non-slip silicone pads at the bottom, contribute to a stable and slip-resistant laptop riser, providing you with a worry-free user experience. The thoughtful design of the RIWUCT laptop stand promotes effective cooling and ventilation. By featuring 2 holder hands instead of a whole flat surface, this stand allows ample space for heat dissipation, preventing your laptop from overheating during prolonged use. Compatible with laptops ranging from 10 to 16 inches, including popular brands, laptop stand offers universal compatibility.